Good morning guys and welcome back to another sunny morning here in Sri Lanka. We've woken up to a little bit more rain, but it's okay because it's nice and warm. We're currently in Kandy overlooking the Kandy lake, but today we're heading to Ella, which is a really nice little town, and we're getting a really cool train. We're going to see some cool sights, we're going to look at some tea factories and rice fields, we're going to see some traditional Sri Lankan culture. So come along with us and let's get going. So we've been sat in the car for about an hour now and I've decided to get out and give the drone a little flight over some of these amazing hills here. There's some smoke, some clouds, so I'm hoping we get some nice shots. So let's go.
Yeah.
So all of this is tea plants?
Yeah, tea plant. They are already picking now. Okay, I will show you on the way tea picking ladies how to pick for the 30 kilo for the day.
Wow. So after stopping by the fields of tea, we're now at a tea factory, about to see the whole process of making tea. I'm actually kind of excited. I didn't think it would be interesting, but let's find out.
Not more, 2 kilos.
Oh, you put on weight?
62, right?
71. Here we go.
Now we are going to be how to make black tea.
Cool. Getting the private tour. Whoa! I feel like I'm in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Oh my god! So this crushes the tea from leaves that have been burnt down there into here, sorts it into the different sizes.
Then we are getting more aroma and the more flavor.
Wow.
After dry leaves become like this, here you can see brown particle,
Yeah.
then black particle. It's brown particle that's stopped here. And the black particle tea leaves altogether mixed.
Like they're growing some sort of illegal substances here. It's definitely tea. And they sort the stalks and the leaves with like some old-fashioned machine that shakes the weight and changes it. So we've learnt a little bit about the process of making tea from the farms out there to actually coming into a tea bag here, and we're about to try our first bit of tea. So this is like their English breakfast kind of tea, and it's actually like one of the best cups of tea I've had in my life. It's actually really good.
Then this is white tea.
Oh, the one in the middle.
This is green tea.
Yeah.
Then all leaves we make black tea. This for black tea.
Yeah.
Then some places they pluck white, some places they pluck green, some places they are pluck black. Select the tea leaves like this. Each person plucking 15 kilo. They want to pluck 15 kilo. They are pluck extra kilos. Then they are getting extra money.
Oh, nice! You're plucking fast.
Yeah.
So we've just learned how to pluck tea, and basically you have to put it on your head like this. You pluck the Oh my god, just come to this restaurant here and you can also stay in these little huts that have the perfect view of the waterfall. How mad is that? Also there's a really creepy looking little red house in the middle of nowhere on a little hill. Looks like it's out of a horror film. massive, massive waterfall just past the restaurant we were just at. It's crazy. Tomorrow we're going to go to a different waterfall and swim in it because this one's a bit sketchy. But also, I imagine there used to be some sort of restaurant or something, but not anymore. And this little bit here goes all the way back to Kandy where we were before. That was a very sketchy platform. Looks like it's going to fall down any minute. So we just sat down next to the waterfall to finally have some lunch, and the guy offered me a beer, and I haven't had a beer yet, so I was like, yeah, sure. And now I've got this wine bottle of massive Lion Sri Lankan beer, so I'm going to try my first Sri Lankan beer, but I just realised it's 11 o'clock in the morning, but I'm on holiday. Vegetable fried rice.
They're like crunchy, but oh my god, the best strawberry I've ever had in my life.
So we just bought our tickets for 150 rupees each, and now we're about to get on the red train. We're in Nanu Oya. There you go. And we're going all the way down to Ella on this red train. It takes about 2-3 hours. Wow. So this is where he drives? So this is where they drive the train from. Wow, amazing. Thank you.
No one go inside.
So we've made it onto the train where you can hang out of, which is like sick. And then it's going to go through all the mountains and everything. Our driver, who's giving us a bit of a tour as well, his friend just let us into the main bit where you drive the train from, which apparently no one's allowed in, so that was quite cool. And we're about to start heading off. 150 rupees to get on the train, although if you book online it can be a lot more. We were looking at like $40 before, which is like insane, whereas this is like $50, less than that. Talk to the local guys and they'll sort you out. But we're about to get going and I can't wait. Understand how much you can actually just lean out, like that everyone is getting their pictures and videos. Going mad. We passed the highest station in Sri Lanka at this. Wow. It's now raining on the train. It's like we're going through the clouds. We are quite literally going through the clouds. Wow. Mountain here. Cloud. This is literally the best I've ever been on in my life. So that's third class, which is the cheapest, but it's shared seating, so it's open both sides. Second class, where we are, where the windows open and you have a private seat, which in my opinion is the best. Some trains also have first class, which is completely closed and with a seat, but you don't get to hang out and have as much fun. Waterfall. So it's normally carnage for the first hour or two, so everyone scrambles to try and get their picture. If you wait until like after the 2 hours out of the 4, you basically have the train to yourself. We've been running up and down for 4 hours now. And we've made it back to Ella with every other tourist. Here we are. We've made it to Ella. We're staying in Spice Ella. It's a little bit closed when we got here. Our room Spice is closed. This looks like a really nice hotel when it would have been busy in season, but I think they haven't really opened yet since Corona and everything. But some of the other ones downstairs are a bit more lively, so we're going to go and check them out and get some food. And it looks really nice here. It's a lot like Pai in Thailand, so we're excited. Play some pool, beanbags, chill out area, overlooking the little town. This place is extremely set up for tourism. Like, it's literally like Pai in Thailand, where like there's places to wash your clothes, there's like massage places, there's like tourist shops, banks to get your money out and converted, and then a load of like little hippie cafe places. So we're about to go into Roti Hut and get some dinner because it looks really nice. Wrapped in a banana leaf. Let's have a look. I just can't stay. There's been a power cut across the whole of the town. Oh, we're back. There we go. Oh. And we're out. And we're back. So we ended up spending about 5 hours in the bar, apparently, and we had like loads of drinks and loads of food for like less than 90 dirhams, so it was definitely a success. We're gonna go to sleep now. Tomorrow we wake up, we're gonna go on a hike and we're gonna check out the 9 Arch Bridge. We're gonna check out a load of other cool stuff. Check out the rest of the series, check out tomorrow's episode. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in Sri Lanka next time. Boom.